Welcome to BMC Helix video solution. In this video, I will be covering steps to download and install a Docker connector. Then we'll start and stop the services. So here's the document link for your reference. So as a prerequisite, we need to make sure the install Docker version should be 18.01 or later. And we need to ensure that the connector is installed on RHEL 7 and later CentOS and Ubuntu. So this is my BMC Helix portal. Let's launch the BMC Helix log analytics. From the collection menu, we'll click on connectors. We'll click on create. We'll provide name as Docker test followed by server name. We'll select the type of the connector as Docker connector. We'll click on download Docker image and script. We'll save this. We'll download script as well. We'll save this. As you can see, both the files are downloaded here. Now we'll list those files. As you can see, both the files are present here. We'll extract the tar file. We'll provide the execute permission to the installation script. Now we'll run the script. So as you can see, connector is successfully installed. Now we'll check the status of the connector in the browser. We'll save this. So the Docker connector is in active state. Thank you for watching.